What is up, everybody? It's Napalmic Acid. Today, I'm going to be checking out the out-the-box line of e-juices right here. This video is sponsored by thevaporsupply.com. You can go there to pick up any of your vaping needs, juices, coils, mods, everything. They got them right here, The Vapor Supply. So here we go, guys. This is the out-the-box line. I'm going to be vaping each of these juices in this video, and we're going to be getting a general idea of what I think about them, if I think the flavor is accurate, etc. So the first one here is out-the-box Coco Pops, sorry. So that's going to be like a Cocoa Puff sort of cereal kind of flavor right there. We have Tiger Berry here, which is supposed to be like a sugar-coated cereal mixed with berry milk. We have the Crunch Time here, which is obviously supposed to be Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We have out the box Bedrock right here. The Bedrock flavor is supposed to be Fruity Pebbles, basically. And then we have the Pod O Gold right here, which is supposed to be a magical blend of sweet cereal and marshmallows dipped in strawberry milk. So this is supposed to be sort of a mix of all the cereals right here. So this is the combo juice. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these bottles here, because they're all going to be basically the same. We have a few older generation bottles here that don't have the nicotine warning big on the front. We have some of the newer bottles here. So on the bottom here, as you can see, it doesn't really say much down there. No chubby gorilla sign. That doesn't matter. And here's the front. You can see the logo out the box on the top, then the flavor, then the nicotine level. This is 3 milligrams. Here's the back right here. It's a 70-30 blend, 60 milliliters. And there's a manufacture date. So not too old, not bad at all. So now let's go ahead and try out each of these flavors in the profile RDA right here and see what I think about it. Alright guys, so the first juice up is the Tiger Berry. This is supposed to be a sugar-coated cereal and a strawberry milk. So let's go ahead and give it a vape here and see what I think about it. Sorry about that cloud there. You can definitely taste the strawberry very well. It's very strong. It's a very creamy, milky flavor. They did a good job at that. Let's try to taste the cereal this time. You can taste that deeper, darker cereal flavor in there too. So this is a pretty spot-on flavor. You can taste the strawberry milk. You can taste the sugar-coated cereal. All of these are going to be very sugary, so they're going to be very sweet, which I like. So this is a winner. Let's go on to the next one now. So the next juice up is the Crunch Time. This is supposed to be Cinnamon Toast Crunch and milk. Obviously, Crunch Time, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So we're going to be looking for those cinnamon, cereal, milky notes in this one. So let's go ahead and give it a puff. Definitely taste that cinnamon right away. That's the most major flavor to me is a cinnamon, but it's not like choking me type of cinnamon. It's actually a really smooth cinnamon. You can really taste the creaminess of the milk. So you can taste the cinnamon, you can taste the milk. You can really taste that tartness that Cinnamon Toast Crunch has, that crunchiness. It really encapsulates that flavor somehow into it. So let's give it one more puff here. And great. That's a really good juice. It's the flavor spot on. So this one's a winner. It does the job good. And it's really smooth on the throat. I like that. It's not really harsh, considering that this one is a 6 milligrams. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next juice. Alright guys, so the next juice up is Pod O Gold. This is just supposed to be a mix of different cereal flavors inside of a creamy milk. A creamy strawberry milk with marshmallow. So let's go ahead and give it a puff. Can definitely taste all of that different flavors in there. Very strong, very sweet. This isn't a darker, desserty sort of chocolatey juice. You really taste a lot of those lighter flavors in here. Strawberry milk comes out great, perfect. So yeah, this is a really good juice. It combines all of the different sweet cereal flavors with the creamy milk. And you can really taste that sort of marshmallow bit to it. Not too much, but you can taste it. I'll give it one more puff here. The creamy strawberry is the most prominent note, I'd say, followed by the different cereals, obviously, but it's all blended together. But that strawberry is very, very strong in here. It tastes like a cereal that I've had before, but I can't really recall it. But it's a very, very good flavor. This one gets the approved. Alright guys, so what's up next is the Bedrock flavor. This is basically supposed to be Fruity Pebbles in milk. So very simple flavor, so let's see if they get it right. Oh yeah, you can really taste that signature Fruity Pebbles flavor right off the bat right there. Let's go ahead and give it another puff here. This is a lot more fruity than the other flavors. It is Fruity Pebbles, Bedrock, but Fruity Pebbles. So I really like this one. This one really fits my flavor profile very, very spot on, I'd say. It's all tied together by that milk very well. It actually incorporates the milk in a way that's pleasing, and it's not like disgusting like some creamy flavors I've had that just make me want to throw up. This did a really good job. We'll give it one more puff here, then we'll move on to the Coco Puffs. Really taste that graininess, that sort of flavory crispness that's just only can be explained as Fruity Pebbles. So there you go, guys. This is a good one. Let's move on now. All right, guys. So the last juice we have up is the Coco Pops. This is obviously supposed to be a Cocoa Puff cereal and rich chocolate milk. So let's go ahead and give this one a puff here. This one I'm not too sure about. I'm sure it's going to be really good, but I just really don't like these really strong desserty dark juices. But I can appreciate it, so let's go ahead and puff it. Right away, you can definitely taste that just signature chocolatiness to it. It just engulfs you in that chocolate. It's not like repulsing or anything. Like, I don't know. Let's go ahead and give it one more puff here. Tastes like a Cocoa Puff. Not really chocolate milk, but you don't really taste any milk at all. I guess when they say chocolate milk, it's just sort of the chocolate in general going on with this juice. I can't really distinguish a chocolate puff or pop from a chocolate milk in this, but I believe it. One more puff. Completely good juice if you're really into cereal flavors and you're into the chocolatey or darker flavors, dessertier flavors in my opinion, then this is for you. Personally not for me, but it is spot on. It really does taste like the cereal, so I can't hate on it for that. So there you go, guys. This is the out the box line. If you want to pick any of these juices up, they will be linked down below from the store, My Vapor Supply. If you're interested, thanks for watching.